Hey, it's starting to sprinkle.
Be sure to turn your headlights on.
Don't you mean wipers?
That too. But whenever you use your wipers, your headlights must also be on. It's good to use headlights anytime it gets dark, such as in fog conditions, heavy cloud cover, or when it's snowing. Headlights can also be a lifesaver on small country or mountain roads. Even in bright sunlight, they make you more visible to other drivers and could prevent a head-on collision. High beams improve visibility when it's really dark. Use them whenever it's legal, but be sure to dim them down whenever another vehicle approaches or when you're behind someone. High beams don't work in the fog or rain. They just make things worse.